Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you a complete placement solution. Friends, this video is going to be very important because here I am going to discuss being a mechanical engineering graduate, electronics engineering graduates, electrical engineering graduates, how many of we are working in a core company? How many of you are doing a core job? So friends, as you know, most of the mechanical, electronics, and electrical graduates are working in IT. So instead of working on diode, Microsoft, transistors, pistons, we are working in IT and we are working on softwares. And definitely, this is not giving you a satisfied job or job satisfaction. We had a dream to work in the core company, but we are not able to. Then definitely there will be a gap, and that gap is nothing but a skill gap. So that we will discuss in detail in this video. So please watch the video till the end. Also, I wanted to tell you, so friends, in all the interviews, okay, so a very famous interview question is there which will be asked to all non-IT. Non-IT means mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, electrical engineering. So a question will be asked, being from non-IT background, why do you want to join IT? Okay, because they also knows. So being from core branch of mechanical, electronics, and electrical, you should work in that core jobs. Okay, now, so friends, the solution is here by Unacademy. So for all core engineering, okay. So Unacademy is going to conduct a workshop, and that workshop will be conducted on April 16th, 2022. Okay, and that will happen 4 p.m. Onwards, and that will definitely happen for 4 hours. Now, so friends, this workshop on advanced automotive technology. So if you are doing this workshop, if you're attending this workshop, basically, so you need to pay 2000 rupees, but Unacademy is doing it for free. And friends, here you will be able to definitely find it out. So you have a, you have a gap. So you don't have that skills which is required by the core industry of your respective branch. Okay, so technology of tomorrow presents free certified workshop on. So if you attend this workshop, then you will be also getting a free certificate. So I will show you how the certificate will look like. So friends, this certificate will be something like certificate of participation. This certificate is given to definitely the person name for completing the workshop on electrical vehicles redefining India's, organized by Unacademy core engineering, conducted on 9th of April 2022. And this you will be able to put on your LinkedIn profile and also in your resume, and definitely it will carry a weightage. So the recruiters will be definitely looking into it. Okay, so this is for definitely the mechanical engineer, and also we have for electrical and electronics engineering conclave 2.0 with free certification. So this certificate will help you a lot. Okay, so let's learn IoT 360 degrees, so Internet of Things. So introduction to drone technology will be also discussed, and this will happen on April 16th and 17th, 2022, 12 p.m. onwards. The timing will be for 2 hours, and you will be able to enroll for completely free. So as I mentioned, so you do not have to pay the 2000 rupees. Now for enrolling, the link will be given in description. Okay, so you have to click on this link, and from here you will be easily able to enroll. So when you'll click on enroll, then you'll have to give your contact number, and then you will be easily able to enroll, right? So this is for free certified workshop on advanced automotive technology. And similarly, we have for electrical and electronics engineering conclave 2.0. Okay, now, so let us move to the next slide. So friends, let us try to face the reality. I mean, what is the problem? Where is the gap? And that is what Unacademy is trying to fill it here. So how many employees do you think feel there is a skill gap? So friends, if there is no skill gap, then you could have definitely got a core job. It's not like in India or outside the India, the core jobs are not available. But because of this skill gap, we are moving into IT. Okay, so please take a guess that how many employees do you think they have a skill gap? Okay, so you won't believe 70% of the employee feel there is a skill gap, which we came to know through the survey. Okay, and Unacademy bridge course will make you job ready. Okay, see friends, so if you want to get into the core company, then first you have to fill this skill gap. So once you fill this skill gap, then definitely you will be able to get a job, okay, in the core company. So Unacademy bridge course is gonna help you out, and then there will be job for everyone, okay. So also you must have gone through Prime Minister speech and Nitin Gadkari speech, and I have also put a screenshot here that will help you out to understand. So Make in India will generate millions of jobs. So friends, the day when Prime Minister Modi addressed and Nitin Gadkari addressed that there will be make in India. Okay, so Make in India campaign, Make in India products will be there, and that is generating millions of job now also. Okay, so you can just go through this. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said Make in India, the need of the hour, and appeal to the industry to reduce dependence on imports and boost domestic manufacturing. Okay, so when the domestic manufacturing will be more, so definitely we will be importing, right, less. Okay, so we will be importing less, and it will in turn create millions of job, right? Okay, so friends, the future is bright for the core engineers, and here the core engineers means so mechanical, electrical, electronics. So 10 millions plus jobs in hybrid electrical vehicle by 2030. So you will be able to find 10 millions plus job by 2030 in hybrid electrical vehicles. You will be able to get 5 million plus users of SolidWorks. You will be able to get 2 millions plus job in semiconductor industry. So friends, definitely this Make an India initiative by our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to change the future. Okay, and for everything, the package will be also high. So 6.7 LPA average starting salary of the CFT engineer. Okay, 5 LPA average starting salary of the VLSI engineer, and 4 LPA average starting salary of FEA engineer, right? Okay, now, so friends, this initiative has been taken by Unacademy, the workshop initiative. Okay, and now Unacademy is thinking about why these core students are going into IT. Okay, where is the lag, where is the gap, where is the skill gap? Okay, so I will tell you about Unacademy. So its valuation is, okay, so 3.5 billion USD dollar. Okay, 6.2 crores learners are on Unacademy. So if it is not the biggest learning place, then 6.2 crores learners will not come here. 58k plus educators are there, 5,000 plus employees are there, 70 plus exam categories are there, and LinkedIn has ranked number one startup. Okay, so all this are about Unacademy, and this is an initiative by Unacademy itself. So friends, the question is now, sir, all those things are fine, but how can I become job ready? Okay, so friends, what you have to do is, so you have to work on the gaps, the lags. Okay, so here the Unacademy courses goals will be strengthening your core, so you'll have to focus on your core, and then the tool mastery. So if you're from mechanical, then you have to have a very good mastery on the tools used in mechanical, and then you should have the specialization, and then the next generation electives and interview readiness. So all those things will be the courses goals of Unacademy. So friends, you have to think why we are not able to get the job. So these are the things which is required, okay, and which we were not able to get even in the 4 years of our engineering. Okay, now, so get job ready for next generation core mechanical engineering companies. So 300 plus hours of next gen content. Okay, software, SolidWorks, NXCAD, NCS, and more. Live projects will be there. Weekly doubt solving classes will be there. Interview preparation module for each and everyone, and certification for every module will be available, and these certificates are definitely going to help you out. Even you can get job ready for next gen core electrical and electronics engineering companies. Okay, so same thing, like 300 plus hours of content will be there. Okay, and the software tools, live projects will be there, doubt solving, interview prep, and certification for every module. Okay, so in interview readiness, what will happen basically? So friends, they will optimize your CV. So many students I have seen, so they will keep a lot of redundant data in your CV. So that has to be removed, and whatever has to be added, like if you're attending the workshop, you can put in that your resume that you have attended a workshop. Okay, so that will give you a value because Unacademy is the brand. Okay, now confident body language. Okay, so many of us while talking we see here and there, so that kind of confident body language will be developed in you. And building a report and projects and certification. So project and certification is very very important because in the interviewer ask more about your projects, okay, and any kind of achievements. Okay, so who should enroll? So if you are in third year and fourth year aiming to build a live project portfolio, third and fourth year aiming to crack a job in a core engineering firm, okay, fresh graduate looking for employment in core engineering, recent graduate looking to switch role within the core engineering. So even if you're fresh graduate and if you wanted to get into the core engineering, then you should enroll. All the link will be given in the description. So friends, thank you. And here is to a cracking journey ahead. So get a core job and prove it that the skill gap does not exist anymore. You have learned all the skills, and do not forget to attend this workshop, okay, which is on planned on 16th of April. This is for the mechanical one and electrical and electronics. So we have the workshop on 16th and 17th. Do not pay 2000 rupees. Okay, get it for free. Thank you. So for all the links, you can refer our description box.